is now a good time to buy Cardano ADA, the cryptocurrency? And is this the Bitcoin top or the new bottom? Let's get into it. Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for tuning into the channel today. Let's get right into it. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. Okay, so if we're looking here at the price action for the day, let's refresh this page here. We can see that Bitcoin's hanging out around $64.6 thousand on the day, up 6.6% on the week, looking pretty good. Ethereum pushing that $5,000 level, fighting with 4.7 thousand right now. So yeah, we're looking good. Binance Coin $652, up 6% on the day. Really good. Solana solidifying itself on the number 5 spot right now, up 4% with a $72.2 billion market cap. Cardano ADA sitting at a $68.8 billion market cap. Still chilling at that $2 resistance level. Hopefully we're going to see a break soon, and we'll get into that later in the video. In my chart that I'm going to show you guys, XRP $1.20 respect to the holders. They're holding out through the most. They've respectively made the least gains since the start of this bull market, but I think that their patience is going to pay off, and we're going to see that very soon, guys. Polkadot holders, congratulations on Parachain's launch. I personally think Polkadot is better than Solana. I think Solana just has excellent marketing and a lot of money behind it comparatively to Polkadot. I think Polkadot is going to pass Solana in the long run, maybe not in this bull run in the next few months, but I think as time plays out, we're going to see Polkadot be the leader of Solana. But not like Cardano is. I think Cardano is going to be the top smart contract staking platform in the world for years to come. And there's going to be times when some of these other coins are going to pass it here and there, and that's okay. But as long as we continue to stake and they continue to develop and innovate, I think Cardano's blockchain is the most technologically advanced compared to all of them. But yeah, so let me talk about some other coins now. It's like seriously, all I do is talk about Cardano. Like seriously, can I like talk about some other coins that I enjoy for once in my life? Anyways, Dogecoin up 2%. Terra Luna looking good. Avalanche up 25.6% on the week. Nice gains, boys. Litecoin up 33% in the week. Wow, Litecoin's the right coin. Chainlink, get you guys some of that Chainlink. You gotta buy some of that Chainlink. You know you want it. Algorand up 16%. Guys, we're looking bullish here. Looking bullish. Crypto.com coin 26%. We're gonna remember these days, guys. Remember these days. Hedera Hashgraph up 70%. Decentraland, supposedly the game that no one plays, but is somehow worth 6.3 billion. But hey, prove me wrong on that. Near Protocol 11.8%. Guys, if you know anything about Decentraland more than I do, then definitely put it down in the comment section. But last time I checked, it was a ghost town. Cardano up 73% on the day. Loopring up 133%, boys. Loopring holders, cha-ching! Bitcoin due to hit $90,000 in the coming weeks, despite pullback. Latest technical analysis. In case if in doubt, zoom out this week as Bitcoin heads for a showdown with Taproot and ETF approvals. Looking good, guys. Looking good. Speaking of Bitcoin, let's look at the price chart. The current price that we're at right now, guys, 65K, 64.5 thousand, is actually our old all-time high, and we're actually developing support around that level. Look here, 65,000 was our old support level. You can see the trend line. Bam. Yeah, looking good. looking good. I think we're going to see some more sideways action here. For a little while, there's an update that just came out called Taproot, or that's coming out in a couple days on Bitcoin. Some say it's going to push the price of Bitcoin higher. Some say it's not going to do anything. I'm kind of leaning toward the latter part of that sentence, personally. But I think the scarcity of Bitcoin is going to catch up even more so soon. And if we compare ourselves to the last bull run, we can certainly see some upwards momentum into December. I believe that. I think it's going to be late December, around Christmas time, where we're going to see Bitcoin's new all-time high. I think it could be around 90K, 100K. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens, guys. If Bitcoin hits 90K to 100K, put it this way. Altcoins is going to be a fiesta. It's going to be an altcoin fiesta. And yeah, if Bitcoin hits 90,000, we could certainly see Cardano hitting like $5 to $10. Without a doubt in my mind, we could see Ethereum hit 10K, 10,000. Yeah, we could see Solana hitting 1,000. XRP could hit $5 to $10, maybe more. Who knows? Maybe more than that on XRP, guys. If XRP takes the number 2 spot like it did in the last bull run, we could see XRP hitting something higher than that, 15 to 20 bucks. That's my prediction. Not financial advice, of course, but it's definitely in the cards, in my opinion. This is my second bull run now. I've been in the market for 4 years, and I first found out about Bitcoin when it was around 20 bucks. I think I was like 15 or 16 years old or something at the time, or maybe 17 years old. And I remember my dad had $1,000 check written out to buy Bitcoin at 20 bucks, and he was too scared to do it, and he never bought. But actually, I think it was like $5. It wasn't much, but that's when I first heard about Bitcoin. And then in November of 2017, my friend Hani actually told me Bitcoin was $8,000, and I just freaked. I couldn't believe it. I was like, there's no way Bitcoin's $8,000, but because the last time I checked prior to that, it was like a couple $100. I heard it like crash from $1,000, but anyways, I caught severe FOMO in that market, and then I decided to start buying. What did I start buying when I got in? Oh, I started buying IOTA. I heard about IOTA's partnership with Google, and I bought IOTA at like $5.60, and it crashed immediately. I put like $500 into IOTA, and it just went boom right down to the bottom, but I was still hooked. Then I found Cardano. I saw a YouTube video about Cardano, and I just, I read their white paper, and I fell in love, guys. Yeah, I just fell in love with Cardano, man. It was my favorite coin at that time, and I bought it at like 20 cents, and I saw it go up to $1.30. That was the first time I saw any kind of real money made in anything that fast. And I started putting in, another $1,000, another $1,000. I watched all my money ride up to like 10, 12 grand or something, and it crashed down to nothing. So for 4 years, I took every penny, every dollar I made. I stopped going out to eat. I stopped going out with friends all the time. I didn't buy anything. And I just stacked my bags and stacked my bags and stacked my bags. Listened to the news every day. Listened to the news every single day. And I was hooked. I have so much knowledge now, the whole crypto market. I'm like, you know what? I'll make some YouTube videos. Maybe somebody out there wants to actually, maybe I have some value to teach somebody. Maybe I know enough to actually, and I love looking at the news and the research. I don't know, it just excites me. So I'm just putting it out there. Maybe I can share my knowledge with somebody else out there and they appreciate it. But my goal is to upload a video every day. Let's get back into the news, guys. Bitcoin due to hit $90,000 in the coming weeks, despite latest pullback. We just went over that. Here's our Bitcoin chart. Definitely we could see some action there. Here's the main chart that I wanted to talk to you guys about today. It's the ADA versus Bitcoin chart. If we look here, going back to July 20th, Cardano was down against Bitcoin, and as we all know, Cardano gained against Bitcoin around that time, hitting around $3. And if we look here, we're actually at the same exact level as we were before. So my prediction is if we start seeing Bitcoin run up, we're going to see Cardano go up that much more against it. So this isn't financial advice, but you probably could trade your Bitcoin or any other coin that you're into right now, for the matter, that's like not super small cap. You can trade it into Cardano right now, especially if you're talking about Ethereum or Bitcoin that are way up against Cardano. If it does what it did the past 2 times against Bitcoin, when Bitcoin goes up, you can maximize your gains because Cardano's has more potential because it's a smaller market cap. My prediction for Cardano is, this is just my prediction, guys, so don't judge me. We could see, I think we're going to see some sideways action for a few more weeks. I could see Cardano heading sideways against Bitcoin. As Bitcoin's gaining in price, I think we're going to see Cardano trending sideways, a little bit up and sideways, until about mid-December. I think we're going to start seeing fireworks. I think it's going to be around mid-December, and then we're going to see an explosion to the upside. Like I said, guys, I think a healthy amount is like $8. I think $5 to $10. I'm personally going to start selling around like $5. I love Cardano, guys, but I need to make money on this. I need to make money. There's too much irrational exuberance in the market. Then I will be selling. But I'm not leaving Cardano, guys. Cardano's my baby. I take it. My plan is to go back in. We're going to make more videos about this, guys. We stick together, and I'll teach you guys about when you get back into the market and when the best time is. We're going to capitalize it and become the most successful MFers in the world. SEC rejects VanEck spot Bitcoin ETF proposal. Oh, that's kind of poo-poo, but you know what? Here's some better news. Australia approves long-awaited spot Bitcoin ETF. This is good, big news, guys. The approval will allow Australian investors to gain direct exposure to the physical assets priced through funds that trade on the Australian Securities Exchange, the ASX. It also cements Australia's intent toward digital innovation. Nice. Altcoin ETFs in focus. Now here's the cool part. Fund managers see the move as a key stepping stone. It's a stepping stone for the approval of smaller cryptocurrencies known as altcoins. Guys, I could see more than just a Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF in the future. We could see Cardano, you know, if Solana's still here, Solana ETF. We could see a Polkadot ETF. We could see a Dogecoin ETF. Do not be surprised by that in the distant future. I'm talking years, not next week. But if you guys are still in the market here, like I will be in the next few years, then we could certainly see some more coins in the ETF nature of things. Let's get out of the boring stuff, guys. Customers can reload Starbucks card with Bitcoin and Ethereum as coffeehouse explores tokenizing stars. So yeah, let's read that again. Customers can reload Starbucks card with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Cool. Here's our inspirational quote of the day, guys. Rejection makes you stronger, not weak. Remember that. Rejection makes you stronger, not weak. Let's refresh the Bitcoin market again. I'm calling it the Bitcoin market. The cryptocurrency market. It's really the Bitcoin market, but anyways. Yeah, it's pretty much the same as the beginning of the video. And yeah, just be patient, guys. It's not a bad idea to start buying Cardano right now because it's been trending sideways for a while. Could be an excellent entry point. $2 could be the new bottom of Cardano in the future. Just like 65,000 could be the new 60,000 could be the new bottom of the future for Bitcoin. This could be the new bottom we're looking at right now, guys, in the future. 60,000, 45 to 60,000. Guys, don't forget to follow my Twitter account. I got 3 followers right now, so if you guys can help me get that up, that would be quite the compliment. Here is my Instagram. If you could please follow that. It's doing a little bit better than my Twitter. It's got 12 followers, so yeah, there's me right there with my bald head. Guys, yeah, watch the clips on here and everything. Yeah, thanks for tuning in today, and let's strive to be the best that we can be, and let's get it.